Christoph Novak in lane 4. The third fastest entry to this event at 23:73. Championship record a 23:61 by Daniel Bell of New Zealand back in 2008. And as they come to the wall, top time will be at 24:28 in lane 7. Abdelrahman Sameh of Egypt, 24:28, dropping his entry time by